The year 2026 is marking the greatest shift in digital marketing history, and most people are completely missing it. Everyone is talking about using AI to make funny memes or write blog posts, but they are ignoring the absolute biggest cash cow staring them right in the face. I am talking about the B2B sector, business to business. Right now, as you are listening to this, there are millions of local businesses, real estate agents, law firms, dental clinics, and gym owners who are in a state of absolute panic. They know they need to be on TikTok. They know they need YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to survive, but they have a massive problem. They cannot afford to hire a traditional video production agency. Traditional agencies charge $3,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month because they have huge overhead. They have to pay videographers, editors, and scriptwriters. Local businesses simply do not have that kind of budget, but they still desperately need the content. This massive gap in the market has created the ultimate opportunity for you to step in and build a highly profitable AI video agency this year. And the best part? You do not need a camera, you do not need to know how to edit, and you do not even need to show your face. Welcome to the era of the AI micro agency. On AMA AI Tech today, I am going to hand you the exact blueprint to start charging clients premium rates for video content that takes you literally minutes to produce. The secret weapon that makes this entire business model possible is an AI video generation engine called VideoGen. We are going to break down exactly how you can use this specific software to service multiple high-paying clients and build a recurring revenue stream that scales effortlessly. Let us look at the traditional freelance video editor workflow. If you land a client, you have to spend hours communicating, getting their branding, hunting down royalty-free stock footage, and manually piecing everything together on a complex timeline. If a client wants 5 videos a week, you are looking at 20 hours of grueling labor. You hit an income ceiling very quickly because there are only so many hours in a day. You are trading your time for money, and that is a terrible way to scale a business. Now let us look at the 2026 AI agency model using VideoGen. You position yourself not as a video editor, but as a content automation partner. Your pitch to a local business is simple. You tell them you will provide 30 high-quality professional short-form videos every single month to dominate their local social media market. And you will do it for a fraction of what a traditional agency charges. Because you are using AI, your profit margins are going to be astronomical. Let me walk you through exactly how this looks in practice. Imagine you just landed a real estate agent as a client. They want a video promoting a new luxury property listing, but they do not have the time to stand in front of a camera. All they give you is a text description of the house, something like, stunning 4-bedroom modern villa with a panoramic ocean view, marble countertops, and a massive infinity pool. In the past, you would have to spend hours finding matching stock footage. With VideoGen, your workflow is almost unfair. You open your VideoGen dashboard. You paste that exact text description directly into the system. You select a professional, engaging AI voiceover, maybe something warm and authoritative to build trust with potential homebuyers. Then, you click Generate. Within seconds, the AI engine analyzes the text, understands the context, and automatically searches its massive library of millions of premium video assets. It instantly finds ultra-high-definition B-roll of a modern villa. It finds a sweeping drone shot of an ocean view. It finds a close-up of luxurious marble countertops. It perfectly splices these clips together, syncing them flawlessly to the AI voiceover. But it does not stop there. VideoGen automatically generates those highly engaging, fast-paced animated captions that are practically mandatory for high retention on platforms like Shorts and Reels. It burns them directly into the video. In less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you have a polished, professional, viral-ready video asset. You download it, send it to your client, and they are blown away by the quality and the speed of your delivery. They think you spent all day working on it. They have no idea you just used the most powerful text-to-video engine on the market. Now, let us talk about the math, because this is a video about making money. This is where the AI micro-agency model becomes incredibly lucrative. Let us say you offer a package to local businesses. 10 short-form videos a month for $500. For a business owner, $50 a video is an absolute steal. It is a no-brainer investment for their marketing. But for you, the economics are magical. Using VideoGen, producing those 10 videos will take you perhaps 1 to 2 hours of total work for the entire month. You are essentially making $250 an hour. Now, scale that up. Because the fulfillment takes almost zero time, you can easily handle 10 clients by yourself. 10 clients paying you $500 a month is $5,000 in recurring monthly revenue. And your actual fulfillment time? Maybe 15 to 20 hours a month. You are running a 5-figure agency from your laptop, working part-time hours, all because you are leveraging AI instead of manual labor. This business model eliminates the two biggest headaches of running an agency: fulfillment bottlenecks and high overhead costs. Your only real cost is your VideoGen subscription, which pays for itself 100 times over with just your very first client. You do not need to hire a team of editors. You do not need to buy expensive software licenses. You just need to find businesses that need attention, which is literally every business on the planet right now. You can apply this to any niche. Dentists need educational videos about teeth whitening. Fitness coaches need motivational shorts. Law firms need quick legal tips. E-commerce brands need product showcases. You simply take their text, their blog posts, or their website copy, and you feed it into VideoGen. The AI transforms boring text into highly engaging visual assets that businesses are happy to pay for. You become an absolute content machine. The window of opportunity to establish yourself in this space is right now. We are at the very beginning of the AI video generation curve. The early adopters who build their client base today using tools like VideoGen are going to dominate their local markets. The creators who stubbornly stick to manual editing software are going to be priced out of the market entirely. They will not be able to compete with your speed, your volume, or your pricing. If you want to stop watching other people make money with AI and actually start building a profitable business yourself, the path is clear. It is time to transition from being a consumer of AI content to a producer. It is time to build your AI micro-agency. The technology is here, it is proven, and it is ready to be deployed. You do not need permission, you just need the right engine. Stop overthinking and start building. Go secure your first client today. Get the tool that will do all the heavy lifting for you. Try VideoGen. Link below.